Hi everyone, and welcome to the June edition of Sky Treasures. The planet Jupiter is stealing the show this month as it reaches its closest approach to Earth. If you look to the south about 2 hours after sunset, Jupiter will shine as the brightest star low in that part of the sky. Even in a pair of binoculars, Jupiter will show up as a tiny disk, and you might even be able to pick out its 4 largest moons hugging close to it. The Italian astronomer Galileo kept track of the positions of the moons with his first meager telescope in 1610. By doing so, he was able to confirm that they were orbiting Jupiter, an idea that was revolutionary at the time because the prevailing belief was that everything revolved around us. The amateur telescopes of today are vastly better than what Galileo had, allowing us to see the moons and even Jupiter's atmosphere more clearly. And speaking of Jupiter's atmosphere, a small telescope should faintly reveal 2 dark stripes crossing the planet. These are called the equatorial belts and represent circulation zones of clouds blowing at over 300 miles per hour. With larger telescopes and good seeing conditions, more belts and zones will show up. Jupiter has many of these because it spins so quickly on its axis. One rotation takes only 10 hours. But there's another feature in Jupiter's atmosphere that draws a lot of interest, and that's the Great Red Spot. It's a giant cyclone large enough to swallow nearly 2 Earths. Since Jupiter is a gas giant planet with no solid surface, the red spot has been observed and charted for nearly 400 years. Modern views with the Hubble Space Telescope reveal that the Great Red Spot is actually shrinking. Will it dissipate completely? No one really knows, but we'll be keeping a close eye on it with telescopes and space probes, like the orbiting Juno spacecraft. Join us in the Delta College Planetarium on the first Friday of the month for Gateway to the Stars, and we'll show you how to pick out Jupiter and the other planets. With the Delta College Planetarium and Learning Center, I'm Mike Murray.